GMIT is one of the first IoTs in Ireland to offer a first-year experience, student-led learning initiative, which is called a Peer-Assisted Learning Programme. PAL is a weekly one-hour study session for first years and is facilitated and run by trained student PAL leaders from second, third or fourth year of the same programme.
One of the positive effects for the first year students is definitely getting to know each other in the beginning. In first year you're all piled into the same rooms or sometimes into separate classrooms, into separate areas, and you don't really get to know people in the other groups. But in PAL you're all bunched together and you get to play these games that allow you to communicate and learn each other's names and the same interests.
PAL is all about helping first year students settle into college life, create connections with senior years, work on assignments, work out problems together, resolve issues, work on lecture reviews and of course make friends and discover all the great things about third level education. PAL is available in all schools and campuses on selected programmes. The PAL programme currently supports over 1,000 first years. For more information on PAL, visit www.gmit.ie/PAL or email pal@gmit.ie.